Hello, this is Koil Gupta from BTech EXTC. So today my topic is submissive personality. So in our day-to-day life, we come across various kinds of personalities. Uh, some are said to be assertive, submissive, dominating. So today we are going to talk about submissive personality. Especially we will deal with the personalities and characters of such a person. So now the question arises, who is basically a submissive person? Let's go get into the detail of it. So now, a, a submissive person is somebody who can be convinced very easily. Or, in other words, we can say that they are someone who readily accepts anything. Like it's very easy to convince them. That's what is the character of a submissive person. Secondly, they are very quiet in nature, but whenever they are given any kind of work, they does that with positivity and confidence, and without any hesitation. Though they're a little slow as compared to other group of people, but okay, that's absolutely fine. So, let's discuss about the character of those persons. Uh, they are very aware of the needs of others. Means they know what others want from them. They're very quick in that. Another important character of a submissive person is they know who they are, they know what they have to do during their lifetime, and they also know what makes them happy. That is one of the most important character, and that is one of the most important character of a submissive person. But they are very quiet and peaceful. That is, doesn't want to create any kind of nuisance or problem. If it is at home also, if it is at a workplace also. Moreover, submissive persons are very service oriented type. They are much more into service than business, and they find peace in taking instruction from others. First of all, they doesn't share their opinion at first. They first listen to others and then they take the decision. And moreover, they look to those person, moreover accepts those uh, instructions from those person whom they look as a role model in their life. Probably in their life, uh, in office place, wherever it is. Probably in their partner also. Just because they are very quiet and readily accept anything, whatever. So that's why people call them as very weak and docile kind of personality. But actually they are not, they are very cunning. This world is actually a very cunning place where people always look about their own grievances. But submissive people are those kinds, they're a little different from them. They actually are aware of what other people does, or they are very caring. But whenever they find someone is not good or someone is using them, they doesn't fall prey to others' need. That is one of the most important personality of them or a character, we can say. Those submissive personalities are very lazy kind of, but they does their work without any hesitation, and they are very hardworking. That is uh, very good for them to define them basically. Whenever they are taking any kind of work, they does that without any hesitation and fulfills that. And uh, and they actually care about genuine persons who are those in church, and they never let anybody down in their workplace. Lastly, people with submissive personality have high self-esteem. That means they know what their personal value is. Submissive people share all these traits, that is true, but they are not submissive in all areas, basically in their life. But ultimately, they know what they have to do and what they doesn't have to do. It's not that they always fall prey under somebody's domination. They readily accept those things which they feel yes they are correct. So basically we can say that they excel in those areas where they feel they are comfortable in. Thank you.